Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for August 6, 2020. This is the chart of SBY. If you can see that in February 19, 2020, when the market it hit all-time high here, so they pull back down to March 23rd, and then after that we call out the market bottom. And then every day the market it continue to go up. A lot of people are still thinking that they're going down. They go up here and then they say, "Oops, they're going to go down," and they go up here. They say, "Oh, this one is going down," and now they continue to go up, and the trend is still up. But you can see here, so this is the big gap where they gap down when a coronavirus new come out, and now the market is get up here. They tested a couple times. And then last week we told you if the price is close about 327.20, the trend will be shock up very quickly to fill up the gap. And this week they did that today. So they come up, they fill up the gap. And now the next question here is where are they going to heading to? So you see here, this is the area that the market rejected. Okay, so at the sell zone that we have to see what the market is going to react at this level. So if the market be able to go above this one, stay above it, we have more uptrend to coming in. But if the market comes to this level, they get rejected again, and then we will have some pullback before the market is getting some more momentum before they can put it higher. So tomorrow it's the job less claim report. So if that number come out good, we will see the market it will get more fuel and put the upside at least to test to this level, and then we will see that and we will notify you on the day to come. But look at the charts. If you look at the price on the chart, if the chart can tell you it's in uptrend, the price is still stay above the moving average, everything is heading north, it's still higher, high, low, the trend is still up. So it doesn't matter what the news outside, the market is still heading north. If you know how to read the chart, you just stick with the chart. Stay with the trend. Trend is your friend until it's no longer a friend. So that's what you have to do. So if you are a day trader today, so you see that the market is open overnight, they come down, they go up, and then they put it back down a little bit, and then they push it back up. So we guide our members to get it up here, and after that, get out of the light trading room. The market is pushed down a little bit to retest the support here. So I take a quick short here, grab some quick money for 738 bucks, and then I turn around on the swing trade and put a lot of stock. But if you stay in the lunchtime New York, you can see the market is yet crawling back up. There's no bear. They all high in the jungle. So right now the market is go up without any objections. You can see that they move it very fast. So overnight, so let's see where the market is heading to. So if they hang around here, and then in the morning when the new on the let's see what the number come out, and let's see how the market is going to do with the jobless claim report, and then we can see where the market is heading to. So overall trend is still bullish, but on the way up, of course, they will move back and forward, but they will find a final destination, and we will see that in the next coming days. So if you are looking at a couple of stocks that we have been followed, so one of the stocks that GoDaddy, so our member, we know that they get in here, and this is the target, so they cast it out at right here, and it's done for one move, and okay, and B, so that's another one that on the weekly market forecast, this one is doing pretty well. And the EGO, the gold rush is still hanging there. The trend is still up. And the PA and W, that's the cyber security, they're still doing very well. So they're still in the upside. And McDonald is still up MCD. That the McDonald it also gains the momentum in the upside also. So you can see that if you know how to read the chart, so you can see where the market is heading to. So this is all I have for you this week, and thank you very much. Please sign up with our YouTube channel. So every time I have a new video, I will let you know. And if you would like to learn how to read the chart, how to understand the financial market, how to make some extra daily income, as well as long-term wealth, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.